Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute, October the 14th, 2025. Big comeback day. KSE-100 index roars back above key averages, erasing panic from a week-long sell-off. But volume still needs to confirm the move. Let's take a closer look. So this is where we are, a 7,032-point jump for the day, up 4.4%. First, let's look at the positives. In one furious trading day, the market recaptured both lost exponential moving averages yesterday, back up above the 10 and 20-day EMAs, which is a significant move for one day. But we have to be careful. This has happened on low volume, lower than the 10-day average. And even though the MACD and even though that the RSI has rebounded from the mid-40s back to above 60, the MACD tells a different story. It is still in a death cross and the histogram is still negative. Also, the ADX, while very strong at 49.09, it has plateaued, which means that the trend might be receding now. So, looking at the volume and the MACD death cross, our verdict for the day would be that this is so far a constructive relief rally that puts bulls back in the driver's seat above the 163.8K level, as seen here in the 10-day exponential moving average. However, confirmation still requires follow-through on stronger volumes because volume is the only true leading indicator. Follow-through has to have stronger volumes. For now, though, we favor buy the dip while above the 10-day EMA, but stay nimble. At any rejection near 166K or 167K without MACD confirmation, without volume confirmation especially, could invite another pullback. And this one would definitely go back at least to the 20-day exponential moving average, so around the 162,000 level. Stay tuned.